Oh, molweni namkelekile nonke guys. Chisabe Entertainment Tata Umseleku Productions. Thanks Ma Productions. Intoni le usenzayo na nontombazana. I-episode eyokuqala, it's literally so jam-packed sana. I hope umakhubalo guys akazusinika too much in one plate and then the other days iplate sana ibe ibanda ceke. But anyways ke, this was episode 1 of Izingane Zesithembu. Hayi bo, andisamsizela ubhuti wam olwandle sana. Ha, Ukwezi can speak, like Ukwezi is here, although she is younger than Ulwandle. Okay, you guys will remember that on the last episode whereby they were bedingida Ulwandle noKwezi, Ulwandle waxelela Tatomseleku khona apho ndimoshe khona. Tatomseleku waxelela uMacele, then uMacele was like, bhuti sicela ukulinda into yoba umntana azalwe before we decide to go and do i-DNA. Why? Because previously kukhona into eyake yakwehlela, amantombazana azobika isisu apha kwaMseleku, kanti amantombazana akaqalanga ukumithiswa apha kwaMseleku. Then kwafumaniseka later on ke into yoba umntana anguye kwaMseleku. And loo ntombazana guys, do you believe into yoba yandithreatenisha kuFacebook xa ndifuna reporta ngaloo nto, isithi ndizokuthakatha ke mna ke, you won't see the light of the day. Good ke sana into yoba wasuka, you were never part of the Mseleku ubuzothakatha baby mama okanye other Lwandle Mseleku's wives. Anyways, what we found out about Ukwezi yesterday was literally really shocking. The fact that she has been dating Ulwandle for 6 years, and there has been girls, Ulwandle was once reportedly mingling with, entangled with. Also the fact that wakwazi Ukwezi ukuzifihla, like angabikho kwinto ze-social media, although she's very outspoken and she's someone who is out there. I was really shocked ke sana, wathi nje umntana abantu akontombazana mna enokundimuvisa kwisoka lam. I am here to stay, andiyindawo. Then ke Ukwezi ebesemzumbe ke kule episode, right? Visita Ulwandle, they were just ironing things out. Into yoba yebhuti, njengoba i-DNA test results zabuyayo zisithe 0% chances that wena ungutata womntana wam, izawuthini loo nto? Because mna I 100% believe into yoba nguwe utata womntana. Mna ezintombazana ndiyazazi i-footsteps zam, ndiyazazi apho ndihambela khona, and akukho apho endike ndihambela khona ngaphandle kwakho Lwandle. I am here to say you need to speak to your mother, because obviously now your mother ekungumacele is pushing me and the child away, because she 100% believes that the DNA test results are accurate, of which they are not accurate. Wabike naye ubhuti ejonge phansi evumelana noKwezi into yoba yes, ndiyayiva le nto uyitshoyo, as a result you know what, into eyenzeka kule DNA irongo because umntana bamthatha amagazi esemncane, so that is why things are you know, they came out the way they came out. Yini Ulwandle bayamhleka ke kuTwitter guys. Ulwandle is so close to my heart, and Ulwandle guys, because he's such a humble guy, and whenever he trains for the wrong things, I just really feel bad for him, because like he's very shy, he's not out there, like he's an introvert, I understand. So bayamhleka ke kuTwitter into yoba shame Ulwandle. Number one, they believe that inoba it might be that he is infertile guys, because the first girl came and this was komba kuye, the results came back 0% chances of him being the father, and then now Ukwezi is saying the same thing, 0% chances of being the father. And so they are saying it might be that yes uyalala nalamantombazana, amantombazana mhlambi ayamchithela, and just because he is Mseleku, then they come and say he is the father. It might be that he is 100% infertile. Kutsho phi kutshiwo kuTwitter. So ihambe kanjalo ke i-segment kaKwezi and Ulwandle, you guys. Sithe sisajonge lo drama kwabe kufika idrama kaTirelo no uMpumelelo Mseleku. uMpumelelo Mseleku is saying he is 100% ready to settle down nomama kaSingabakho seyifuna ke ngoku ukuyo officiate. We'll remember the last time wayeproposile, but ke ngoku uthi ready for into ba makahambe ayo officiate zonke izinto kulo makaSingabakho, and uMakaSingabakho is skeptical about that. Reasons that she has given would be the fact that, number one, what is your plan? Do you have like a proper set out plan? Yoba uzosondla kanjani? Remember, I have been seeing you on social media ukuthi unoFortunate wena. uFortunate is now going to be soon part of ifamily yethu. Will you be able to feed 8 mouths? Are you going to be able to feed 8 months? 8 people, 8 mouths, that is. You understand? Abompumelelo isithi awubala lolo, listen up, I've got a security company, you know, sharp clothing, and then washo ke esithathu. I don't remember what the third business adventure angenele kuyona ukuthi yini igama layo, but wabe esitsho izinto ezi3 wathi nje umama kaSingabakho, I don't think mina we should be getting married, akumele sisheshise izinto. Even uMayeni was advising uTirelo into ba ungajahi sithandwa sami, because once you get married things will change. Uyabo ngeke kusafana as are enjoying yourself, and as nice as it is now that you guys are not official, you understand? So you don't have to rush yourself ukuthi ushade noMpumelelo. uMpumelelo ngiyamazi ingane yami, he is not a serious person, akumele umthathe serious, wena nje jola uzijabulele. Then the 8 mouths uTirelo guys was talking about, it would be Vuyokazi's 2 children, uSingabakho, ingane kaMabiyela, uMabiyela, who else? Who are the 3 people besides uFortunate? Oh yes, uTirelo, and then uMpumelelo himself, and then uFortunate. I think those are the 8 mouths that uTirelo was talking about. But obviously uMpumelelo, I think, did not count uFortunate, or did not count himself. I don't know ukuthi how he ended up with 7 mouths. So ihambe kanjalo ke into, wabe esithi uTirelo and ndizohlala phi bhuti. uMpumelelo, one thing about him, he likes acting as a 65-year-old. ude watsho nomakoti guys wathi, uyathanda ke wena ke uku-actor as if you are 65 years old. Mna naseMzumbe impilo yami, I am an influencer, my entire life is based here in Joburg. What do you mean funeke ndihambe ndiyohlala eMzumbe? Wabe esithi uMpumelelo, eMzumbe kuzoba likhaya lakho la 24/7, then ke ngoku uzawuvisitha apha eJoburg. You know what, Nani, I wouldn't accept that. But guys, izinto, if you want to grow as a youngster, business-wise, just go to Joburg. Yeah, understand? So for uMpumelelo to be saying no, come to Mzumbe, like uyamgqwetha ingqondo engathi uphila is 60s, you understand? So yeah guys, I think those were the 2 highlights of the show. Nosinemseleku uye wangena, but I think le video lena ndizoyishare apha, then ndilandelise ke ngosinemseleku. What are your thoughts on these 2 topics, uKhwezi as well as uTirelo? Please do let me know down in the comments, and guys, ngibona shortly. Bye guys.